the calls.
You'll eventually get the 20% back. That Silver Connect card is going to pay her co-payments. Remicade, I believe, is an injectable, and her hospitalization co-payments. And tell them to turn his Part B on. Supreme Court decision to effect coverage. Now, this is a two-pronged side. The VA, Veterans Affairs, have already rolled this out 3 weeks ago, but on July 1st, 2015, we were legally, as agents, allowed to discuss it. So we get secured emails. You have to put a username in and a password. You open it up, and then you have to reply that you've read the attachment. So the Supreme Court of the United States recently ruled that all couples have a fundamental right to marriage, whatever their gender. I want to get this point across. Same-sex spouses are entitled to the same legal obligations, responsibilities, protections, and benefits provided under state laws to other spouses. So, Anthem, A-N-T-H-E-M, notoriously was a front-runner on this. It was called domestic partner, which are male-female. They could live together for longer than 12 months, share some form of domicile, whether it was an apartment, a condo, house, townhouse, could even be a camper. But as long as they lived together and had a notary republic, notarize it that the form was true, you would have that. If it was two males, that was fine, domestic partner. Two females, domestic partner. It didn't matter. Now it is a federal law. So employers who offer health coverage for spouses will now be required to provide coverage to same-sex spouses if they have not already. So United Healthcare, which is a carrier, they did not do domestic partner in the old days. Connecticut, rumor has it, just started doing it January 1st, 2015. But now, as of July 1st, 2015, it is a law. If you're an employer out there, if an employer already offered the coverage during the past open enrollment season, then the spouse will have not needed to do anything. If the spouse didn't get on, they can wait till the next open enrollment. If coverage was not offered before, the spouse now has until July 31st to sign up for your employer's plan. And newly married couples may add their spouse following their marriage permitted under the special enrollment guidelines. With a marriage, you get 30 days, just like having a baby. So that Supreme Court ruling is now in the books, in print. And for you out there, the HR people, what you're basically going to do is have to have some form of communication with your office. I recommend it in writing, not just spoken around the water cooler. Whether it be via an email or a letter in their paychecks, which I just sent out to all my groups. Great job at the office girls getting that knocked out too, by the way. So you received a letter from GS Regan saying what this is. If you offer health coverage and it includes spouses, now it includes same-sex spouses.